2004 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Does riding a Fat Boy with solid wheels blow you all over in the wind? I'm pretty confident it doesn't. There's a whole lot more mass to be getting hit on a bike like this or an Ultra than just the wheels. I mean, what is that, like 2 square feet? 2 square feet? I mean, there's no way it blows you over. All right, so it's windy. It's definitely a lot of wind going on. I haven't felt any big gusts. I haven't seen any cars like blown across the street or anything like that. But I'm riding a Fat Boy and I'm not dead. Look, one hand. But now, it's such a small area. And when you have spokes or any type of other wheel that has like little holes in it, like the newer Fat Boys, and those little tiny holes, spinning at like whatever revolutions per minute they're spinning, no, there's no wind getting through that. Even a spoked wheel spinning that fast, I don't think wind is passing through it. Maybe I'm wrong. Well, I'm not gonna say we can put this one to bed, that riding a Fat Boy does not kill you. I've ridden in very, very windy conditions where just you got this crazy side wind and it is like, whoa, you know what I mean? Oh shoot, you know, it's blowing you over. Maybe the guys who have the Fat Boys, they blame it on the wheels. I don't think it's a wheel thing. I think it's a you're riding in crazy wind thing.